It's time now for Money Monday, and today we're talking about the unemployment numbers.
Yeah. President and CEO of Great Lakes Credit Union, David Seeger, of course, with us again on this Monday morning to explain.
Morning, Jack. Good morning, Annette. Well, the pre-markets this morning, now the Dow is down 30.
Wow, we don't see this
We
usually.
don't, and the S&P is down 4.75. The markets don't know what to think about the numbers on Friday. Unemployment did drop down to 6.7, but we only created 74,000 jobs in the United States.
Yeah, people dropping out of the labor force.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's one of the reasons why that we dropped to 6.7. It's not so much where we're putting jobs on, that people are leaving the actual workforce altogether.
Right.
And that's what the problem is there. And that's spooking the markets a little bit, because largely we would like to see, a gain in the morning because things are going pretty well, but the market doesn't know what to do now because, wow, my gosh, 74,000, they're expecting 205,000 jobs to be created. So that's a big gap. So we'll have to see what happens when it comes to that.
Yeah.
One of the major things that we're discussing right now in the politics part of this whole situation with unemployment is the long-term unemployed. Right now, people, if they're unemployed over 6 months, they've lost their benefits. And matter of fact, there's 2,300 people in Lucas County alone that have lost their benefits as of January 1 because they're no longer covered under the long-term unemployment.
How long are they covered for usually?
Well, 6 months for the state, and then the federal kicks in for the additional types of unemployment benefits that they would have. It's funded from the federal from there. The situation is this. There's a lot of controversy out there. Oh my gosh, if we extend unemployment benefits to those folks that are long-term unemployed, boy, there's no incentive for them to get a job.
Right.
Well, there's a couple surveys that were done and studies that were done on this. One that was reported in Social Indicators to Research and also from the Congress's Joint Economic Committee indicated that that's not the case. The longer-term unemployed actually are looking 3 times as hard as the short-term unemployed to looking for a job. Yes. So there's 2 studies that actually back that up. So in terms of, are we doing them a favor by yanking their unemployment benefits to make them go out and get a job? That's probably not going to be the case. But the situation is this: for every job that's out there, there's 3 people looking for a job.
Right.
So that's still a major problem.
Right.
But a jobless recovery is what we've seen.
Right. A lot of these jobs have unfortunately moved overseas.
Overseas, exactly. Or eliminated altogether through automation.
Right.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
You bet.
Appreciate it.